approaching 1,000 feet on the Albatera Climb. You can see how steep it is. It's 14% there, so I've just stopped for a bit of a blow here. Quite warm as well today. These are all abandoned houses. Stop number 2 on the tricky S-bend. 10% gradient. Look at the steepness of that bad boy.
Come a long way, not to work it out. It's cold comfort wraps around you in the dark. Come a long way. Come a long way. Not to ask the question that's been on your lips all the way. Spit it out, the words come out, yeah. Oh, it's already, oh, not as heavy as before. Come a long way. Come a long way. Come a long way. Yeah.
Here we are in Nieves. Might have a Coca-Cola maybe. We'll see what happens. Lovely place this is. I like it a lot.
Tomorrow ain't too far, yeah. Come along. From small beginnings. Come a long way.
Here we are, Bikers Cafe on the way down to Crevillent. I have to say it's been a difficult ride today. I'm suffering a little bit from lack of fitness, to be honest. Well, here we are, halfway up the mountain again on the opposite side. I've got a slight climb and then it's a descent and switchbacks down into Crevillent.